of these alone. You do not sell
Ooh.
those kind of numbers.
Credit, debt.
Ooh.
Are you taping her?
I am. So
Yeah.
I never forget.
And this file folder has
Ooh.
the 10 most important areas of
Credit,
your life.
debt.
10, I forget what it is now, but anyway, count them for me, Dan.
Okay,
we have
1.
credit and debit, personal documents, auto
Debit.
RV. We have
Yeah,
personal
this person might be
insurance.
Oh, and I like that it's
We have Social
color
Security.
coded.
We have
Retirement. I don't have that yet.
Don't be chasing nobody.
Estate planning,
Taxes.
and home ownership.
Home ownership.
10 major areas.
These are the 10 most important areas of your life.
He
Now,
chased some
if
people on the
you're
road the other
living
day.
a
I've got to watch
great,
him.
organized financial life, this would be full of all the documents that you need to protect all of these things. But you don't have to worry about it because each one of these file folders has exactly what you need to put in here. And in a second, I'm going to show you where you get all the documents that you would put in here. So again,
You could do
file
too,
folders,
Nathaniel.
you will see
Always go
that this
online to
serves as a
QVC
desktop. You
and look
can
up
work on it
Suze
just
Orman.
like this.
Oh, that's
You can
true.
open
There's usually got
and
the
please
video
notice that it
next
will
to
be
Oh,
that.
very
okay.
large,
Yeah, there
but
probably
only
is.
large
You
enough
can like
to
push
fit
in that
right
number
here.
F09301.
It's worth
Okay.
the
And then
price,
that'll
but it
come
gets
up.
even better. And by the way, if you own this, give us a call. Our testimonial line is open right now. 1-800.
Diane owns it. Give a call.
No, I don't have that.
Pretend. Yeah, I love it.
So here